A mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject. In your Moodle class, you might be asked to participate in this brainstorming activity. To get started, all you have to do is click on the text next to the light bulb icon that represents mind map. So we're going to click on Jewish holidays, and we're going to get to a screen that looks like this. Here we see a mind map. What we're being asked to do is to add 3 ideas or activities that are associated with one of these holidays. You should know that mind maps in Moodle are enabled by using Adobe Flash. So you have to make sure your browser has that enabled. And if it doesn't, it'll ask you to enable it. You just say yes, and it'll load. You can also access the Flash player by clicking on this icon at the bottom right. Chances are iPads won't work with this so well. Be that as it may, the central idea of the entire mind map is here, the Jewish year. Then we have these child nodes, Hanukkah, Sukkot, Rosh Hashanah, and linked to Sukkot are other sub-ideas, booths and harvest, and even the harvest term is linked to the sub-idea of Israel, that it's harvest in Israel. For us to create our own associations, you click on this particular node if you want to work from Hanukkah. Then, once this is highlighted, you click on the Insert button on your keyboard, and then drag this child node out. And here we can type in the highlighted area right there the words light. If you want to have another idea come out of Hanukkah, you can also click on this Control button or Command button on your keyboard if you're using a Mac, and then double-click where you'd like the child node to be. You highlight this again, and you can type in the term gifts. If you want to change the color of the text, you go up here next to the font button, and you can change it to, say, red. If you want to change the color of the node itself, you go to this palette and click on a color, and it changes the color. This is undo and redo. You can change the way the font looks if you wish. You can make it italicized. You can even change the font. To add or remove a child node from the central idea, you would click on one of these 2 buttons. Once you're done adding your ideas or your contributions to the mind map, you click on the Save button, and you're done. The mind map is finished, and you can move on to your next activity by exiting out to go back to the main course page.